Oh, hi guys! Today I'm going to be doing the reverse slime challenge. I'll be using small shaving cream. I cannot find any foam anywhere, so I'm measuring the contact solution correctly. But let's just hope I did well. Let's add of them. I put in this much. Let's just hope that is okay. Where's the spoon? Where is that stupid spoon? Does that mean I don't have anything to stir with? This is so cool. It's actually turning into slime, but reverse. Can I add a little bit more contact solution? Even though I know that it's okay. So this is a little firm, I think, but it's so cool. It's not pokeable, right? It doesn't make that much poking sound, but we'll be adding sugar cream. Hello, hello. Meme, so I add a little bit of the shaving cream, so it's a little hard to mix in. Oh, it's so hard to mix in. Let's just tear it apart. Would make it easier? My question is, this is just so cool. No, it's not working. So, it's not working. Oh no, this is not working. This is not working. This is not working. Okay, I have a lifesaver. I have a slime saver. So I have this slime, which is white slime too, and it's a little fluffy, but not that fluffy as this one is. As you can see, how the fluffiness is more fluffy, as you can see. So let's just mix these two up. This is gonna be so cool. As you can see, it makes the popping sound so great. And you know that you can add a little more bit more moisture. It's almost finished. I couldn't use this all, but wash it. It's so cool. So big, so squishy. First, if you add it in the moisturizer, it will be stringy like this. But don't worry, it will come back to life again, to how it was. As you can see, it's awesome. This is so fun to play with. And it's also super soft, super stretchy. That's why it's fun to play with. And fluffy. Let me just swirl it. Voila! This is so cool. I'll do the coolest thing ever. Move away, you things. So you just spread it like this. Take the first part slowly, raise it slowly, and oh no, it doesn't work that much because I add way less shaving cream. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a like, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye.